There are three types of the variables in JavaScript. So the first one is let, var, and the constant. So for example, in this example, the first one is that let's say that we are putting items to a cart and we want to calculate the final price. The first variable that we are creating here is a tax rate, and it's a constant, it will not change, so we are assigning the value to 0.08. The next one is the final price, so basically the final price that we are going to pay, and the item count is how many items we are putting to our putting to our cart. So, and we are creating, the first one is the constant, and the second and the third is the let and the let. So one more thing that we are doing here, we are creating a function at item, and where we are passing the price, and here we are creating a variable discount. The variable is a function scope, so what it means that within the scope of that function we can change it. So for example, let's say that we are discount, we are setting that to 0, and if the price of the item is more than 100, in that case we are giving it discount 10, right? So, and the price after the discount, so what's the price minus the discount, right? And we are adding to our final price that we are going to pay, we are adding the price after the discount, and also we are increasing the item count, and also we are logging to the console that we have added item. So what we do is we are adding two items to our cart. The first one is with the price 120, and the second one with the price of 80. In case of the first, so we are creating variable var, we are creating variable discount, the type of the var, right? And since the price is more than 100, then in that case we are applying discount, and we are adding 110 to our final price. In case of the second, we are adding, the discount is not applied, and we are adding only the whatever the price is here, right, 80, and we are increasing the item count after calling the add function twice. So what we have that our final price is 190, and our item count is 2, right? So what we do is we are calculating our total with tax, which is our final price plus final price multiplied to 2 tax rate. So what we see here, the three variable types, right? The first one is the constant, that is never changes, so we assign the value here and it does not change, the same way that the total with the tax that we are calculating, and since it won't change, we are assigning the type of it, we are assigning the type of that variable is constant. So for the other variables, for example, for the final price and the item count, since they will change that across the program, right? So for example, here we are adding to our final price as we are adding the item to our cart, and we are increasing we are adding more items, we are increasing the item count. They will change, and we are creating the type of the variables, we are assigning let. And for the discount, since it will only exist within the scope of this function, we are assigning the variable type as var. If we run this program, right, so as we can see here, added item first time when we are adding is 110, second time when we are adding it's 80, and the item in the cart is 2, and the cart with the cart total price without tax is 190, and if we are applying tax, then in that case the price is 205.2, right? And in this case, we are, for the total with the tax, we are assigning the variable type as constant because it won't change.